run it for a little bit, see what, so you can see how it's gonna act. Well, wheat harvest is almost upon us. Be working on the machine, getting it fixed up and ready for the next couple here in a couple of weeks. Start harvesting this beautiful wheat. Beautiful wheat, beautiful wheat. What happened that he's bringing it back already. This piece is what tore up on us last year, and I didn't even hear it. Got banned from running the machine after I tore that up. Something right there, can't quite tell. Get that welded up. Which this pin clip right here came off, so yeah, this piece is gonna be hard goes right on. So far it looks like that's the only thing. Doesn't look like we got a big gap. That one's tight. Straw walkers are looking good. Get up in the bin, check things up there. But I guess we'll work on the other piece over there first. See if we can get it. The engagement, that's what for engaging the machine. came undone, so I guess we'll get it fixed first so we can try to engage the machine. Run it for a little bit, see what, so you can see how it's gonna act. And then I got this cylinder. I'm gonna have to heat up, get the pin out of it. That's messed up, we need a new couple.